Alright traders, this episode is rough. I'm showing you exactly how I tried to fix a sync issue with OneDrive and NinjaTrader and completely fumbled the bag. These next few clips, they're messy, they're real, and if you've ever wanted to throw your laptop across the room, you're gonna feel seen. Buckle in, it's a wild one, and remember, I never claimed to be a professional here. Don't judge me. He needs to talk to Papa for this. Because I just don't understand why this isn't working. Let's see. Calm. This is so extra. I'm about to smoke a cigarette. Send me later. Check that for 5. Check. Stop that. Okay. There's something wrong with that.
How do I get rid of OneDrive?
Okay, I think I got something going with start OneDrive. It means it's not on, right? Go back to this page. I'm going to try whatever this says. So we're on, let's just start a new file thing right here. And then we're going to go navigate to document. Open OneDrive document or right click the where are my files. I don't see where I'm on.
Here is every setting you need to apply to ensure that NinjaTrader always runs super fast. Number 9 is to make sure that NinjaTrader is not running on your OneDrive folder. If it is, it's probably getting file log errors. It's going to be slowing things down. It's just going to cause you a nightmare. Make sure NinjaTrader is not running on a OneDrive folder.
Maybe this one's it. I found, let me adjust my screen. NinjaTrader 8 and OneDrive woes. Follow these tips or steps.
Okay, let's get down to it.
Absolutely not. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Windows off. Go to System. Click on System. Choose Apps. Okay, and then now we're gonna find kick out OneDrive. So, following step 4, we're looking for OneDrive, and it's not there. Aha, Microsoft OneDrive. Let's uninstall it. That's crazy, but we're gonna do it and see what happens. Yes. Okay. Now that that's gone. Don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Edit file path in NinjaTrader. Edit file path in NinjaTrader. What does that mean? After uninstalling OneDrive, reinstall NinjaTrader and verify that it doesn't include any OneDrive paths. Let me just see what the happens. Okay, so now we're gonna have to sync up all this. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to fix that, guys. Oh, maybe. Okay, it says go to Tools, Law, or check error bug. Database management? No. It's like, oh no, I don't need that. Okay. Tools, settings, maybe? I do not remember it being this difficult. I'm gonna try and just restart computer. Okay, so I'm going to uninstall and reinstall, hopefully, NinjaTrader, because just taking out Microsoft, where was it? Microsoft OneDrive wasn't enough apparently, and it's still stuck on all that. So I'm gonna have to go and find NinjaTrader, uninstall, and reinstall it. This is frustrating, but at least I'm recording it, you know. Okay, now that that's done, we can reinstall. Click on this. Go ahead and exit out of that and bring this over. Next. This is what it needs to be. Yes. Install. I think we got it. Yes. Fingers are crossed. hoping that my saved workspaces that I did for episode 1 is still there, but if not, it is what it is. So we're going to take this, put him back on our desktop, double click. Okay. Launch. Oh man. Okay. I'm clicking don't show this message again because I don't. Number one, there's no OneDrive. We have a document here, and we go here and just make it clear. There's nothing there. That I want to delete. I don't know. I need to sneeze. Okay, so it technically should be in here, and I didn't see it, but I do know it's right here. And it should be just a local drive, right? It says OneDrive right there. I can't seem to figure out how to do it, y'all. And I've already turned that off, so it's like, it's probably going to still say it. I don't know. I wish this was easier, but it's not. So, what the heck? I mean, should I delete the other one? I don't know. Let me see what my AI was telling me. How do you open the command prompt? Oh, Lord. Okay. The son of a calm down. Okay, let's see. Cooking with I click on. It says to reinstall NinjaTrader one time. We're gonna do it. This is crazy. Honest. Go back downloads. I wonder if it's still there. And it is. Okay, I'm gonna start it up directly from my window here. Pull it over here. Okay. It's doing the login down here. Oh man, it's making me re-type in my Gmail. Okay, moment of truth. Did we do it? 𝗧𝗲𝗶𝘃𝗃𝗃. Well, so okay, so we have no workspaces defaulted, and we're still getting the your documents folder appears to be synced with OneDrive. Huh. Huh. I don't know what am I doing. Cancel. We're gonna go to what I know where. Oh, cool. I was about to say, of course, Google will be gone. Are they playing? Bruh. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm not a please go through. Okay, we're in customer support. We will continue documenting this process. This 35-minute video. But it's okay. We're gonna get through this. It's been a lot longer than that, right? You keep checking this time right there. Okay, I'm gonna stop and go get some food. That was chaos. Folders, failed installs, symbolic links. In episode 2.0, I'll show you exactly how I get back on track. We're close, and the real solution's up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.